We're now going to demonstrate the conservation of momentum in a few different ways. As mentioned in the previous video, first we'll show how momentum is conserved when one object at a certain mass and velocity collides with another object of the same mass but at rest. We're going to set the mass of both objects to 1 for this example. The first object is going to move with a velocity of 1 meters per second while the second object is at rest. The momentum of the system is 1 kilogram times meters per second, because the momentum of the first object plus the momentum of the second object equals 1. After the collision, the momentum of the system is still 1. Object 1 is at rest, while Object 2 gains Object 1's original velocity and momentum. Therefore, momentum is conserved. Next, we're going to demonstrate the conservation of momentum when two objects are moving towards each other. Conservation of momentum will still be applied regardless of each object's respective mass and velocity. For this example, we're going to set Object 1 with a mass of 2 kilograms and a velocity of 2 meters per second to the right. Object 2 will have a mass of 1.5 kilograms and a velocity of 1.5 meters per second to the left. The velocity of Object 2 is shown here as negative to represent that it is moving to the left or the opposite direction as Object 1. The system's total momentum is 1.75. After the collision, the momentum of the system is still 1.75. Object 1 has a momentum of 2 to the left after colliding with Object 2, which now has a momentum of 3.75 to the right. Therefore, momentum is conserved. This next simulation will demonstrate the third situation for conservation of momentum, when both objects are moving in the same direction and have different speeds that allow for one object to catch up and collide with the other. The mass of Object 1 will be set to 2 kilograms with a velocity of 2.5 meters per second. The mass of Object 2 will be 4 kilograms with a velocity of 1 meters per second. Both objects will move in the same direction. The total momentum of the system is 9. After the collision, the momentum of the system is still 9. Object 1 now has a momentum of 1, while Object 2 now has a momentum of 8. Both objects still move in the same direction. Momentum has been conserved. In order to show that elasticity doesn't affect the conservation of momentum, the elasticity will be changed from 100 to 0. The initial momentum of the system is still 9. Although the objects stick together, the total momentum of the system is still 9. Elasticity will be further explained in an upcoming lesson. I hope this video furthers your knowledge of conservation of momentum. Thanks for watching.